All right, here's level 8. This is the holy grail of beginning band rhythms. It's a little tricky, but if you can master it, you're doing great. And we have a couple examples on how to do it. So I'm going to use this first one, 8A, to talk through it. But let's first start talking about what it is. It's a dotted quarter note, okay? And it's pretty much always going to be paired with an eighth note. But let's talk about the dot and what it does. If you remember, half note is 2 beats, and then we added a dot to it, and that added half of the note's value, which was 1. So this dotted half note was 3 beats. Now we have a quarter note, which is 1 beat. We add a dot to it. What's half of 1? Well, it's 1/2. So this dotted quarter note is 1.5 beats. Okay? Now, other ways we can think about this. Well, we can think about it as half of a quarter note is an eighth note. So it's like a quarter note tied to a single eighth note. Okay, now we're only going to see this with another eighth note after it. So we can go ahead and just beam those two. So it'll look like that. And you can see that right here. The other way we can think about it is, since it's 1.5 beats and eighth notes are half a beat each, it's like 3 of them tied together. So we see that right here. Okay? Another way we can think about it, and that is right here, is a quarter note and then our t rhythm, except you keep holding through this rest. You don't actually rest right here. So let's go through exactly how this is going to go. So 8A is the one that's going to teach you that. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 is this rhythm. And we're going to just do little variations on it until we build eventually to our dotted quarter note, eighth note rhythm. Okay, so the first one is us thinking about it like 3 eighth notes tied together and then a single eighth note by itself. So that'll be 1 and 2 and 3, 4, or da, 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 da. Okay, another way we can think about it, like I told you before, is it's a quarter note tied to an eighth note and then another eighth note. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, or da, 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 da. Okay, or we can do this one down here, which is ta, ti, ta, ta. And this builds into how we say this rhythm when we're speaking rhythm. Okay, this is ta, ti. Okay, ta, ti. This, with a dot, is going, so ta, ti. This one is going to be tum-ti. Okay, so tum-ti-ta. And it's really important to feel that beat after this and then bounce off the and of the beat. That's why we have this. So tum-ti, da, da. Okay? Let's speak this first one. And we'll say this one T-T. Actually, we'll just say this tum-ti. Okay? Same with this tum-ti. Okay? Ready, go. Oh, let's start our metronome. All right. 70 beats per minute. We're in common time. Let's say it. Ready, go. T, 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 ta, ta. Tum-ti, ta, ta. Tum-ti, ta, ta. Tum-ti, ta, ta. Okay, rewind that and try that a couple times. But I'm going to move on. Let's clap it and count it. Again, we're going to keep our hands moving like we're holding a note. Rub them together. Here we go. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Now, one thing on these, when I write them out, and I write in the counting, I write out each eighth note that it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay? Just because it helps us when we're subdividing like that, it helps keep it in time. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay? All right, let's play it. I'll sing it with you. Ready, play it, whatever note you like, and ready, go. Da 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 da. Your turn. Ready, 2 by yourself, and go. Okay, let's do 8B. Again, this one is going to be ta, t, and then it's going to transition into tum t. Ready, go. Ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ta, ta, tum, ti, ta, ta, tum, ti, ta, ta. All right, clapping and counting. And again, I'm going to count all the 8th notes right here, except I'm going to keep rubbing. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Got it? Here's 8B. 1, 2, 8B, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay. Your turn, and ready, go. Da 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 da. 8C. Here's a typo. This should be on beat 2. So even I make mistakes, and it's okay if you make mistakes, right? As long as we correct them. Here's 8C. Speak it, go. T, 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 2. Tum, T, 2. Tum, T, 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 ta. Tum, T, 2. Off. Make sure you hold that all the way to beat 1. Okay? All right, clapping and counting. 8C, and ready. Let me focus this in. Here's 8C. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Okay, let's do it together. Ready, playing. Pick a note you like. I'm going to sing. It's probably not going to be the same note. Ready, go. Da 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 da. And 8D. Okay. Real quick. So we've only been doing them where they come on beat 1. Okay. Now this is a 2-beat rhythm. Okay. So 1 and 2 and. Now, if we started on 2, it would be 2 and 3 and. And if we started on 3, it'd be 3 and 4 and. And if we started on 4, it's going to be more than 4 beats. Okay? In our measure. So we can't do that. And on these in 3/4 time, we can't start them on beat 3 for the same reason, because that would go beyond our bar line. So make sure that you are aware of that. I prefer that they're written like this, again, because we like to be able to see this divide between beats 1 and 2 and then beats 3 and 4. But sometimes you will see them written like this. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay? Both are correct. I prefer this one. But either way, these two measures are exactly the same, just so you know. Okay, so now we're starting it on beat 2, and then this one's going to start the dotted quarter note rhythm on beat 3, and this one does it on 1. All right, let's say it. So we're going to say this tum, T. Ready? Let's start our metronome back up. 1, 2, 8D, go. Ta, tum, T, ta. Ta, tum, T, ta. Ta, ta. Tum, T, ta, ta. All right, now we'll clap and count. Remember, keep those hands rubbing on these, and we're going to count the eighth notes, but we're not going to go 2 and 3. We're going to go 2 and 3 and. Okay, keep your hands rubbing like you're pretending to hold it. 8, D, clap and count, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Okay, now we're going to play it. I'll sing it with you. Ready, 2, here we go. Da, 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 da. Make sure you're either counting in your head or you're saying it in your head. You're keeping track in your head. Okay, don't just copy me and try to do it a bunch of times till you memorize it. Make sure you know how to read it. Okay, 8E, now we're in 3/4. We have 3 beats in a measure. Let's say it. Ready, go. Tum, ti, ta. Ta, tum, ti, tu, ti, ti, tum, ti, ta. That's a hard one. Okay, if you need to do it again till you get it right. All right, clapping and counting. 8E, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Let's do it together. I'll sing. Ready, go. Da, 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 da. Okay. Your test. Now you're going to write in the counting. Again, when we write in the counting test, 1 and 2 and. Okay, we're always remembering that it's like 3 eighth notes tied together. 1 and 2 and 3. Da, da, da. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, if you want, you can do a little circle reminding you that these are all the same note. But you should be good. Now this one, just use this as an example. Okay, it's pretty much the same rhythm with a rest right there. That'll help you. And then you're going to perform this on a concert A flat. So we'll leave that to you. Composition. So we're compose a rhythm in common time. Look, someone was nice enough to write common time, which means 4/4. Okay, use 1 dotted quarter note rhythm per measure, and then make sure you have 4 beats in each measure. Okay, let's go ahead and start it off with a dotted quarter note. 1 and 2 and again, don't use mine. This is just an example. You should have your own composition. Okay, I'll do a quarter note and then a quarter note rest. So 1 and 2 and remember this is 2 beats, so then this would be on beat 3 and then we're on 4 with the rest. Let's do one. We'll do a dotted one right here, even though I don't like it too much. So this would be 1, just 1, 2 and 3 and. So this starts on 2 and it's 2 beats, which means that we have beat 1 and this is beats 2 and 3. Well, this together are 2 and 3 because this is a 2 beat long rhythm, which means we only have beat 4 left. Let's put a rest right there. That's kind of hard to play, but hey. Let's do a half note and then a quarter note, a dotted quarter note, because we have to do 1 per measure. So this is 2 beats, and then these 2 together are 2 beats. So this would be 1, 2, and this is 3 and 4. That's all that dotted quarter note. And then on the and of 4 is this 8th note by itself. And we'll finish it off simply with a dotted quarter note to an 8th note. So this is 1 and 2. That's all 1 note. And so this is, again, this rhythm is 2 beats. And we'll just do another half note. 3, 4. Okay. So I'll do this rhythm just for practice sake. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and rest. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Did I have 4 beats in each measure? Yes. I checked it by playing it. You should do that too. And now it's time for ear training. Okay. So this is a long one. Right in the rhythm you hear performed. Hint, there will be a dotted quarter note rhythm in each measure. Okay? So we're looking to spot where this rhythm is, what beat it starts on. Remember, it lasts for 2 beats. Okay? T. 1 and 2 and. All right. I will do the whole thing, and then I will do each measure twice, and then I'll do the whole thing. Here we go. Ready, go. Here's another hint. There's no rests in this. I'll write that down. No rests. And I'm going to do it again, and I'm going to sing it because I think it's a little easier to get it instead of me rubbing my hands together for you to tell where those dotted quarter notes are if I sing it. Here we go. I'm singing it. Whole thing. Ready, go. Da, 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 da. Da 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 da. All right, now I'll do each measure twice. I'm gonna sing them. Here's measure 1. Ready, go. Da 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 da. Again, write in the counting you hear. Write in any hints. You could even write in the spoken words. And you can pause and rewind, whatever you need to do to get it. Ready, measure 1, last time, go. Da, 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 da. On to measure 2. Ready, go. Da, 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 da. Here it is again. Ready, go. Da, 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 da. And measure 3. Again, dotted quarter note rhythm in each measure. Measure 3. Ready, go. Da, 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 da. Here it is again. Da, 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 da. And measure 4. Da, 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 da. Here it is again. Ready, go. Da, 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 da. And the whole thing one more time. Ready, go. Da, 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 da. That is level 8. This one is the most important rhythm you can master in beginning band, I feel. So, work hard on it. If you need to watch this video again, it's here for you. All right. See you in level 9.